take another video of this beautiful boardwalk. I can't get over it. My goodness. So there's a whole building over there with restrooms. There's one on the other side too. And this preserve is free. There's no entrance fee or anything. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous in here. Yep. I can't wait to see the hiking trails. So far I've seen the boardwalk and these two buildings. I don't know how long this boardwalk is. Usually boardwalks are not that long. This is already the longest I've seen. Nice and shady in here. Everywhere are these educational things set up. Oh, you can turn it. How cute. So the lady up there in the welcome center said there's an educational video you can watch. And there's another exhibit. I didn't even go over there yet because I need to be outside. I'll check it out when I leave, if it's still open. But no worries, I'll be coming here. Again, I'll see everything that's in here. Gorgeous. I like the swampy water everywhere. I don't know if there's a river nearby or if this is just so high from the rain. Traveling tree walk. Uh-huh. It's so quiet in here. It's Friday. There's probably more going on in here on the weekend. Oh, look at all the fern. Beautiful. Brooker Creek Preserve audio tour. Uh-huh. This is such a nice boardwalk. It's that material that looks like wood, but it's not wood. It's a little softer, so nice to walk on. What's a traveling tree walk? I don't know. Nothing on the other side. Traveling tree walk. Oh, seems to come to an end here. The boardwalk. Oh, there's a bench. Other places don't have one darn bench. This place has benches everywhere. Oh, this must be the beginning of a trail. It's white blazed. Yeah, this is beautiful in here. Just beautiful. There seems to be a lot to explore in here. A whole different world. Okay.